welcome back. So we are going to be doing a curly wig today. I don't know why the heck I smelled it, and I threw myself off like I didn't just edit this video. Anywho, today I'll bring you a video from, or a wig from Eva Hair. All of the details will be listed down in the description box. As you guys can see, this wig fit like a freaking glove. Like, we have a transparent lace. It is lightly plucked. The knots have already been bleached. So literally, I'm just showing you what it looks like and how to install a unit without having to do any customizing to the unit. Like, literally at all. Straight out of the box. Time to install this. All that I did is deep condition the hair with a little bit of Aussie Moist 3-minute moist, and that's it. So I'm applying the wig with something that's kind of easy to take off, which is my Gotta Be Glue spray. If you guys are not familiar with that, go ahead and purchase it now if you guys are going to be wearing any lace units. It's really easy to install. You literally spray the area that you want to stick and use the blow dryer on like cool or low heat, whatever you can stand, and maybe for about 3 to 4 minutes in that spot, and then it'll literally stick. Like, it's not moving, it's not going anywhere. Now, if you are a sweater, I definitely recommend taking this kind of lightly and tying down your edges if you're going to be working out or something like that. But as you can see, like, it's held on perfectly. This wig did not have any wig combs. It did have an adjustable band. It didn't have any clips or anything like that, which I appreciate because the clips kind of get in the way, if I'm completely honest. Usually they're not placed in the best way and so they end up just getting in the way of your parting space. So the good thing about this wig is it did go back about 6 inches, and it's a frontal as well. So, or actually more so a 360 wig. I was actually going to do a video on how to put the hair into a bun, and then just looking at the texture, I realized this would be a really cute Afro type, hairstyle. So nevertheless, I decided to just show you how to install it just as is. And so if you guys missed my last video, I do have a video on how to customize your frontals, wigs, closures, things like that. And so I'll show you how to bleach the knots, how to pluck it, and things like that in the description box below. And I think I'll probably put like one of those like cards or something just to, make it easier for you guys to click. But now's a good time, if you guys are not subscribed, to go ahead and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. This part is completely optional. You guys know that every so often I'll do the baby hair thing, and I'm not going crazy with it. I tend to only do it in like my temple area just because that's naturally how I do my real baby hairs or whatever. So I'm just thinning that out just a little bit. I didn't have a tweezer handy, so I was lightly doing that with my fingers, very lightly. I wasn't like ripping it out, just, go slow. And then I took a little cream of nature just to lay the edges down with that gel, and that's pretty much it. I'm just showing you the parting space. Literally, if I tweeze this out, this will look so much more natural. But just straight out of the gate, y'all, this is a really nice unit. I was actually thinking about doing like a bang or something, but I'm like, no, let's go ahead and cut this baby up. So I made it about collarbone length just to do a nice kind of free-flowing Afro style. If you don't want to go for that, you don't have to. The hair was fairly long, and I just felt like it needed to be more evenly trimmed, so that's exactly what I did. And as you guys can see, it does have a tighter curl, so I'm just making sure that everything is blending with my scissors and just going through the hair. It was still damp, and it was fine just as is. I definitely wanted to tweeze it, y'all. It was really hard for me to make the decision not to do that, but nevertheless, you guys have seen me do that a million times in a bunch of videos, so it's nothing, to really be afraid of. And I'm just taking my blow dryer. I didn't want to do the diffuse method because I didn't want any tight curls. I actually wanted a little bit of frizziness, so I'm actually just blow drying this just a bit, just to make it a little bit more fluffy because I didn't really have time to wait for it to dry. And yeah, that's pretty much it from here. So just literally going through my hair with the blow dryer. And let me know if you guys end up ordering a wig. I do have a coupon code in my description box if you guys are interested in that. We do have a lot of sales going on right now, so definitely make sure to check that out. Also, if you guys are not familiar, I do usually resell some of my units. So this will be a unit that I would end up customizing a little bit more. So just plucking it out and putting it on my website. So if you guys are not familiar with that as well, a link to that will be in my description box also. So once I kind of got this unit a little bit more on the dry side, I just took a wide tooth comb just to kind of pick out the curls just a bit. Again, nothing too crazy. I just wanted that Afro texture or kind of style without it looking so perfect and like I tried, So once I kind of got the style that I was looking for, I was completely happy with this unit, y'all. The hair was extremely soft, like really, really soft. So I appreciated that. It was definitely the kind of cut and style that I was looking for. I think I could have actually trimmed up just a few more pieces, but no biggie. So definitely leave any comments or questions below. Let me know how you feel about it. Definitely make sure to turn on your post notifications because I think you guys have been missing that. Let me know exactly what you want to see. You know, I do have a lot of protective style videos that are going to be coming out. So definitely make sure that you're on the lookout for those types of videos. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.